Hey guys, welcome to the channel if you're new here. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make these wax string bracelets. These are super easy to make if you know how to do it right, so I'm going to teach you how to do that today. So let's get started. The wax string that I'm using today, I got off Etsy, and I've also used wax string from Amazon, but I do like the Etsy string more. I feel like it's way nicer. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to cut 9 strings that are each 5.5 inches long. So now what you're going to do is you're going to cut 2 strings, and you want them to each be 8 inches. It will make your life so much easier if you fold both of the 8-inch strings in half, so then you'll see a crease in the middle and you'll know where the center is. So after I've lined up all 9 of the strings together, I'm getting one of the 8-inch strings and I'm going to tie it around these clear on the edge. So after I've tied it once, I'm just going to flip it around after I've made sure they're all lined up, and I'm going to tie it twice on the other side. So this part is super important to know if you want to make your bracelet look like it was professionally made. So if you hold the lighter too close, it's gonna make the edge look burnt. So you need to take your time and hold it further away so it'll slowly melt it, not leaving a mark. And as you can see, I did not do a very good job of this. I will show you comparing the two if you take your time or if you just hurry and do it like I did right here. Also, if you want to put beads on your bracelet, this is the chance to do it because we're going to do the other side in a second. So I'm going to quickly do the other side. I just sped this up for you guys so we can just get to the point, but you do the exact same thing that you did on the other side. You just tie it once and then you flip it over and tie it twice. So right now this is sped up, but I did take longer and I took my time on lighting this side so that you can clearly see a difference on which side looks more burnt and which side I took more time on. So I think it's definitely worth it to take your time and make it look way better than what it would look like if you rushed it. So this part's really confusing to explain, but I just keep redoing the voiceover trying to find a way to word it. But what you're going to do is you're going to twist the thread the direction that it naturally goes, and then you're going to twist the two against each other. And it takes a little bit of practice, but you'll see that they like wrap around each other pretty well. And then you just tie a knot on the end, and we're going to get the lighter and melt that. So now we're going to get started on the adjustable part, and this is a square knot, so it's not too tricky to do, but I'm going to show you how to do that step by step. So you're going to want to cut a string that's around 6 inches. So what you're going to do is you're going to make a 4 shape, then put the other string over and then under the back up to the other side of the loop through that, and then you're going to pull to tighten. And this was a little confusing, but don't worry, I'm going to do it with you again. But this will be way easier if you use a longer string as a beginner for like your first time doing square knots, but since I've done these so many times, I could use a shorter string. Let me know if you guys want a more in-depth tutorial on how to do a square knot. So now what you're going to do is you're going to cut the extra string off, but you don't want to cut right against the square knot because it will shrink as it melts, the string will. So now I'm just going to use my lighter and I'm going to melt that. So I hope you guys liked that bracelet, but don't leave yet because I want to see what bracelet you guys want me to make next, because I'm trying to decide between showing you how to make the charm bracelet or the beaded bracelet. So let me know if you guys want to see tutorials on those. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one.